Hi guys, my name is Church Daddy and I'm live with
Chisom.
Chisom.
Yeah.
Straight to the point here. What is your notion about Akwa Ibom girls generally? What can you say about Akwa Ibom girls?
Jeez. To the little I've stayed in this place, I can say that Akwa Ibom girls are lazy. Sorry, oh. I don't think I've seen any hardworking girl in Akwa Ibom. And secondly, I think they prefer. Because honestly speaking, I've been looking for a salesperson for the past 3 months now. I've not gotten even one. And the person that you see, even the person that will be willing to do the job for you, will not even want to stay because he or she prefers maybe hanging around with all the small boys and getting money, and that's it. So
In other words, you're trying to say Akwa Ibom girls are lazy generally and they don't like to work. Rather, they prefer to probably, should we use the word hook up or go around with small boys for urgent 2K, right?
I think that's exactly, you said it though.
So you mean you really make this video? You mean you really open your dirty stinking mouth to talk about Akwa Ibom people? The same Akwa Ibom state that you are doing business. I don't know if you are doing business, but according to you, why didn't you employ your sister to do the sales personnel for you? Why didn't you employ your cousins or your family relatives to do the sales personnel for you? Why didn't you employ your fellow Igbo people to do the sales? Abi your Igbo ladies know they do sales personnel? Now I'm just asking, I want to know, is it only Akwa Ibom people that know how to do sales personnel? Why didn't you employ your Igbo people to do the sales personnel for you? Why didn't you employ them? This is how una go dey do. Any Igbo man or woman that has a shop in Akwa Ibom and come to social media to start saying evil or bad thing against us, go just come your shop, scatter your shop and pursue you, make it dey go your state. Since your state is so good, why didn't you stay in your state? Why didn't you do the business in your Igbo land? Why didn't you do it? You are coming to Akwa Ibom to do business, yet you are coming out to shed us, to downgrade Akwa Ibom ladies. That the only thing they know how to do or they prefer to do is a shower work or hookup work. They don't like to work. They don't like to work. They are very lazy. You label us lazy, abi? No worry. Now like this, una go dey come talk nonsense for social media. It will get to a point that we will scatter your shop. We will come to you, full squad will enter for you, burn down your shop, burn down, destroy your business, and send you out. Send you packing. You need to go back to your state. You need to go and do your business in your state. We don't need you in Akwa Ibom. If your state is so good for you, why didn't you stay there? Why didn't you establish your business over there? Why are you coming to Akwa Ibom?